At Carlos Silado Memorial State University, we believe that the future is not something we wait for, it's something we create together. This year's Sustainable Development Goals Expo is a celebration of that mission where students' innovation meets global advocacy. Our students lead the way with bold ideas and real solutions, tackling global challenges through projects aligned with the 17 SDGs. Whether it's building eco-friendly solutions, promoting inclusive education, or harnessing clean energy, Kamsuans prove that young minds can drive powerful change. Through passion, innovation, and unity, we build a better tomorrow. Starting today, because at Kamsu, sustainability is not a trend, it's a tradition. This is the SDG Expo 2025. This is Kamsu, and this is how we change the world.